Hi everyone, welcome to HCTV. I'm Lucy, and today I've got something very exciting to show you. Hangcha XH Series Rough Terrain Telehandler. Currently, we have two electric models, 2.5-ton model with a 6-meter lift, and 3.5-ton model with a 10-meter lift. They're now officially launched around the world. Now, let's get to know this amazing machine through 3 questions. First, why do we need this machine? Construction site says, I need to handle steep slope and uneven ground. Port says, I need green and fast solutions. Farmer says, I want to save money and handle all materials. And I want to say, Hangcha XH Series Rough Terrain Telehandler. One machine can do every job with quick change attachments. It can turn from a forklift into a crane, loader, and a high aerial platform. It's built tough with 4-wheel drive. It can handle mud, gravel, and steep slopes up to 45 degrees. Second, how does it stand out? Here are 3 features I would like to focus on. Long run time. Up to 53 kilowatt-hours battery, we can charge it anytime. Fast charging. 100% charge only takes 1 hour. Full power, always. Water-cooled motor enables it to run strong in extreme temperature, powered by a 310 volts lithium power. It's zero emission, green and safe. Lastly, what's the real value for users? Save money. The maintenance-free, long-life battery will reduce your total cost of ownership. Stay flexible. Day enjoys 3 steering modes: 2-wheel front steering, 4-wheel steering, crab steering. These modes enable it to handle varied working conditions. Stay safe. The 7-inch screen with live alerts. And IPX4 rated, that's waterproof to keep you safe. So, in a word, it isn't just a forklift. It's a powerhouse for any job. And what's next? I would be happy to tell you that our electric 3.5-ton with 7 meters lift and diesel 4-ton with 18 meters lift models are coming soon. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.